Okay, good morning, GRTWJK students. You can see that I'm working out of my dining room, which is also my studio. And today I'm going to do an art project with you that involves shapes. What's a shape? A shape is a line that comes back and ends where it begins. So if you're making a circle, you start at one part, you go around, and you go back to the exact same part. And we're going to turn those circles and shapes into a very cute little duck splashing around in the water. So I'm going to turn around and get started and show you how to turn circles into a duck. Okay, here we go. I'll put that right on my easel, right here. And I'm going to start on this side. You'll start with a pencil, but I am going to start with a crayon, a black crayon. You can do the crayon part after the pencil. Let's start out with a smaller circle towards the top of the paper, like this. And you can see that I'm going around and around. Your circle does not have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be completely round. It can be a little off. It can be a little bit of an oval. An oval goes this way, and I know you know all your shapes. I'm going to add a body to that, and here's my body. I'm skipping a spot right here, as you can see. So I have my head, I have my body. I need a little bit of a beak. The beak is going to be a sideways letter M. I can put 2 points out here, just like that. 2 little polka dots. And I'm going to start at the head, and I'm going to go to the polka dot, back to the head, out to the polka dot, back to the head. There's my little beak. And it doesn't have to look exactly like mine. I'm going to make a round eyeball, and I'll give him a little bit of a hair right there. And now I'm going to pretend to cut one of those circles in half, and I'm going to make a half circle right here. So that's a curve and a line, and there's my wing. The legs are going to be 2 lines here and 2 lines there. Then I'm going to make a polka dot here, one out here and one here. And then I'm going to make a polka dot here, one here and one here. So it's 2 and 1. And I'm going to play connect the dots. So if I connect those dots, I've got a really great triangle for the feet. So I've got circles, I've got lines, I've got triangles, and now I'm going to make a little puddle, because we all know that the ducks love to go into a little puddle. And if you want, you can make that puddle splashing like that. You can add, excuse me, you can add some feathers. And now you have a choice. Do you want to use paint for your duck? Do you want to use crayon for your duck? That I'm going to leave up to your teachers. I hope that you enjoyed making your duck out of circles and lines and shapes. Have a great day and have fun making your duck. Bye, boys and girls.